Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into learning how to employ Slack's multi-workspace feature, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, you're going to need to create the new workspace. Just click on your workspace name at the top left corner and select Create a new workspace. The reason we do this is to have separate environments for different teams or projects. Now that we've done that, it's time for step 2. Customizing your new workspace. Slack allows you to personalize things like theme and notification settings. This helps us because it allows each workspace to have a distinct look and feel, reducing confusion when switching between them. Next up, you'll want to invite members to your workspace. Click on the workspace name again, select Invite People, and enter their email addresses. This is important because a workspace is only as good as the people in it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you create a workspace, you're building a new, separate environment. Each workspace has its own channels, members, and settings. Let me explain why this matters. It's like having separate rooms in a house for different activities. It keeps everything organized, and you know exactly where to go for what you need. The final step is switching between workspaces. Just click your workspace name and select the one you want to switch to. It's that simple. The reason we do this is to quickly and easily navigate between different projects or teams. And there you have it. You've just learned how to employ Slack's multi-workspace feature. By following these steps, you can keep your work organized and your mind clear. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us.